The objective of this short lesson is to get you acclimated to how the files are set up that you can use throughout the series of lessons. This course is kept as simple as possible. We're going to work on one project. The Revit file will be created basically from scratch by you. You'll use that file for the duration of the course. We will, however, provide Revit files that are updated for each chapter. You'll get used to me saying open the model you've been working on or open the Chapter 1 model and follow along. This helps if you're like me and just want to jump to a topic of interest, or if your model is getting, well, in need of a freshening up. You can download these files from our website. I recommend you download all of them at once and store them somewhere that makes sense to you. They'll be organized by chapter, in folders with the chapter name. Some of the folders will have additional files in them that we'll be bringing into our project as the class progresses. Or you can go to Chapter 15 and just open up the completed model. We're going to make a file for each chapter. So as you progress through the chapters, just remember that the file is updated to the beginning of the chapter. So if you jump to the middle of a chapter, you might have to catch up in that chapter. Usually doesn't take very long though.